So first, let me talk about the materials which will be needed for making this no-suit tote bag. The materials are an old t-shirt, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, beads and pom-poms. I have used beads and pom-poms to look more trendy, but you can skip it too. So first we need to cut a rounded scoop shape on the neckline and the sleeves. Determine how deep you want your bag to be and cut a fringe at the bottom of the t-shirt. At least 2 to 3 cm is enough. Grab the first strip and tie the aligning front and back pieces together. To secure the knots, take the first top strip and tie to the bottom from the neighboring pair. Repeat this to every strip. After securing it properly, if you don't like the fringe look, then turn the bag inside out and you will get another look. Also, you can decorate it as you wish. Yeah, so our no-suit tote bag is ready. So guys, this is the final look of our no-suit tote bag. So our bag is ready. Bye.